Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I am here with a new type of video. So um first of all, I want to say welcome to my new um audience and subscribers, and welcome back to all of my other planner friends and scrapbook friends in YouTube land. So just a little bit quick brief about my channel if you're new. So I started off as doing scrapbooking actually, and have ventured off into so many different crafts on my channel. So I do collaborations, I do cards, I do little projects. But for today, I am doing the Mini Kit Monday challenge. So I joined this group because of Janet from RTS. So she's no longer on YouTube. Her videos are on YouTube, but she now does Patreon because of, everything going on with YouTube. It makes it so much easier to, have a audience there. The platform is better for her. So I just wanted to check out sorry, I'm doing my Cricut download. So I had to press the thing, computer. But she's the one that told us about her group, and then another group called Mini Kit Monday. So sorry if I'm going too fast, but I am so excited about this challenge, and this is my first Mini Kit Monday kit. So I am so excited to be in this community, and I know it's like the middle of the month. It took me a little bit to get this video going because I've been super busy and dealing also with some sinus issues. But I'm finally here. So let's get started because I've already rambled for 2 minutes. So let's get to my kit. So first off, I am going to show you the papers that I'm going to be using. So I have some papers that need to be used in my stash. So I decided to really dig deep in my stash and center my kit around the Creative Memories Enchanted collection. So originally, I wanted black and white, just strictly black and white, and with a pop of color. So I took out this and I took out this. But then I saw some other colors and it's never been opened. This is actually a collection from 2009. It's very old. But I saw how there was tons of creams, and I want to do some pictures that have to do with nature and homeschooling. So I just thought this would be gorgeous. So I wanted to do more of the creams and not focus just on black and white, but also, I guess, more around the creams. So this is the paper I'm going to use. I don't want to flip through too much because I don't want to take too long on this video, but this is this gorgeous palette of blues and greens and some reds and some creams and grays. So this is gorgeous. So this is what my kit is based around. But for Mini Kit Monday, they have some prompts. So they spelled Valentine down and gave us different prompts and things that we can use in our mini kit. So let's start off with veneer. So as far as veneer, I don't have a lot. I mean, I have like a little tray up here with veneer, but I decided to pull out this veneer. I got this from Coco Daisy like a few years ago. So I wanted my kit to be small and I didn't want to have too much in my kit. So, I'm like not using everything, or like that. I didn't want too many choices. So I chose to use these wood veneers, and these are just a few little things right here. And I like these because they're very thin. See, very thin. So I will be using these for my kit. And hopefully I am not going too fast. Okay, I don't want to keep you long. Next is flat alphas. So as far as flat alphas, I'm going to be using some things in my stash. I want to use some things up. So this is the Teresa Collins Urban Market. Have these I need to use up. Teresa Collins Daily Stories, and see how these actually go very well with that paper. And then the Simple Stories. There's just a few things maybe I can add from here. So this sticker sheet's almost finished. And then I have these, I just received these from the Planner Society, so I thought it'd be fun if I wanted to add some glitter to my pages. So I have these pretty stickers. And also, this was gifted to me. This is the Prima alphabet stickers. And I like this because there's a variety of colors that will also go with these. So yeah, this goes perfectly. And next on the list, it also says little word sticker phrases, or little word stickers phrases too. So I just thought this would be perfect to use this. And I have these. I received these pretty little studio cut aparts usually in my Cocoa Daisy kits, memory keeping kits. So I can use that. And then Felicity Jane. There's lots of fun little words on there. And also, this isn't words, but I have these, which came also in the Planner Society kit. These are like little edgers, so I can pull them out during my process, or I'll show these in my video when I use these. So they're just like little glitter edges, and they're like shaped like lace. So I figure I can use those as well. Next on my list, and actually I forgot to say, I am going to be using this box to store my kit. And this is just an IKEA box that I have. So this is my album. It's a homeschool album I want to work on. This is just a little journal, but I will also be working on maybe a 12 by 12 layout. And I have my A5 Traveler's Notebook where I do my little journaling in here, memory keeping. So I have some faces on here, so I'm gonna blur some of this out, but this is just an example of one of my layouts, and I want to work on this. I've already done some watering colors, so I want to work on this for my project as well. Okay, next we have to use, next is envelope tags, library pockets. So I have these little pockets that would go really pretty, even if I use one or two. This is from Felicity Jane, and this is from the Heidi collection. I have those. I have these pretty little tags that I can use. And I also, this came again from Cocoa Daisy, have some like watercolor paper that they provided for us. So I can also do some watercoloring on here, and just some ribbon. So that will go with envelope tags, library pockets. Okay. And next, thickers. So I am trying to use these thickers. So I have like black and white thickers that I'm bringing out. So these are like shiny thickers. This is a Hobby Lobby brand. This is Felicity Jane. I need to use these up. Another Felicity Jane. And then these stickers, which are called Bliss. These are foam letters. And then I decided to add some phrase stickers. So this is You and Me. That would be fun to use. And then I have one more set of phrase stickers, which I believe these have to be from Amy Tangerine or Amy Tan, as you can tell. And this was stuck on here because I was probably doing a project and just stuck those on real quick. So I am trying to use this up from my stash. And next are inks. So as far as ink, I may do some stamping, but if not, in place of that, I will be using some Heidi Swapp. There's a gold, and this is chartreuse. So I will use these on my layouts. It's part of my kit. And next is Nuvo Drops. So I only have one Nuvo Drop. Never used it. As you can see, it's still in the package. When it was a big thing, I said, I am going to try one and see how I like it. So I got gold because I figured gold can kind of go with other neutral colors or, you know, whatever. So I only have one Nuvo Drop. So, and I'm not even sure I'm going to use that. So it also says enamel dots. So here, in my little iris container, I have several different colors of enamel dots I can use. That is part of my kit. And then last but not least, ephemera. So here I have tons of little this is color coordinated. So I have all these little like words and phrases that I'm just putting here in case I need them. And I guess that would kind of go with like little word stickers or phrases or whatever. Not stickers, but die cuts. I think there are a few stickers in here. But I have tons of like Vicki Budin, her ephemera. I kept this so I can remember what collection it's from, which I don't know if it even says on here. No, it doesn't. But in here, I just have, and there's also some other little pieces in here, but I'm mostly focusing on these. So I have, and once again, it is word phrases, but it's also some tags and different things. And I'm also going to include these. So these are not ephemera, but this is part of the same collection. So I figure I could put these and these together. So this is ephemera and some stickers. And this is a transfer. This is from Hazelwood, One Canoe 2. And I need to use these butterflies because apparently if you don't use these within a certain time, they won't work as well. So I just wanted to throw this into my kit as well. But I don't think I have too much items. Maybe I do, but I feel like it's not overwhelming and everything kind of goes. But I like how it all kind of coordinates around this paper collection. So I'm really looking forward to it. And you know what I did forget? I forgot And for Neutral. And for Neutral, I actually have some, well, those are some flat letters, but I have some paper that's kind of neutral that I can use for my boys. And this is another old collection from Creative Memories. Take this out. That's called Rugged, and that's 2011. So yes, this is pretty old collection, but I like this because this goes more, can go more towards my boys. So this is what I'm using as far as my neutrals. I feel like this collection is overall pretty neutral. Okay, and there we go. I believe that is it. So last but not least, they gave us some oh gosh, I just went blank. I think one is page maps, but they gave us a, oh my goodness, I just went blank. You guys know, a sketch. They gave us several different sketches that we can do, and I decided to print this out on a paper, and I was really motivated and inspired by these two sketches. So I want to use these two sketches, and I also am a double page layout person. So what's nice is I can turn the sketches or just, you know, make it my own or whatever. So, but these ones really caught my eye when I saw these two sketches. So I am so excited about that. But if you are on Facebook, I'm not on Facebook a lot, but I am going to be involved in Mini Kit Monday for this month. It's my first one. I'm excited. If I don't do a process video, I am at least going to share my projects that I've done for this month. Plus, it gives me motivation to scrapbook more. I've been kind of slacking in the area of scrapbooking. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. And if you also are putting a kit together, or if you have an Instagram where you're sharing, let me know. I don't get on Instagram too much, but I don't mind popping on and seeing maybe, you know, what you are creating. And if you are interested in Mini Kit Monday, just go join the Facebook group, and I'll see if I can leave the link below. If not, you can just put Mini Kit Monday in the search engine on Facebook. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for taking the time to look at my kit. I am so excited, and I will see you next time with a fun layout. So you take care. God bless. Bye.